world, and we got it done, and we're going to get it done again very quickly. Now, I think I do it with an executive order because they didn't go through Congress. I got it approved through Congress, so I think we get it done fast. But it's going to be that can supply all of Asia with its location. All of Asia can be supplied by Anwar. So there's so many things, but we don't want to have any future president ever sabotage our economy with out-of-control regulations as the last two Democrat presidents have done. They went crazy. Last week
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're diving into some huge developments in the stock market and the AI industry, and how one big player, yes, Donald Trump, is reacting to all of it. You're going to want to stick around for this because we're talking about everything from China's latest tech advancements to how Trump plans to keep the US ahead in the AI race. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on all things tech and business. Let's kick things off with Trump's latest move to tackle AI regulations. Recently, he signed an executive order that directly challenges Joe Biden's regulations on artificial intelligence, and guess what? It's causing quite a stir in the tech world. Trump is saying that these regulations were holding back innovation, and that AI companies can now refocus on what really matters, being the best, not just the most woke. Trump said, "I think we're going to get it done again very quickly. We're going to unleash our tech companies, and we're going to dominate the future like never before." This is a direct message to the industry.
Crazy. Last week I signed an order revoking Joe Biden's destructive artificial intelligence regulations so that AI companies can once again focus on being the best, not just being the most woke. And today and over the last couple of days I've been reading about China, and some of the companies in China, one in particular, coming up with a faster method of AI and much less expensive method. And that's good, because you don't have to spend this much money. I view that as a positive, as an asset. So I really think if it's fact and if it's true, and nobody really knows if it is, but I view that as a positive because you'll be doing that too. So you won't be spending as much and you'll get the same result, hopefully. The release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser focused on competing to win, because we have the greatest scientists in the world. Even Chinese leadership told me that. They said, you have the most brilliant scientists in the world in Seattle and various places. But Silicon Valley, they said, there's nobody like those people. This is very unusual when you hear a DeepSeek, when you hear somebody come up with something. We always have the ideas. We're always first. So I would say that's a positive. That could be very much a positive development. So instead of spending billions and billions, you'll spend less and you'll come up with, hopefully, the same solution. Under the Trump administration, we're going to unleash our tech companies and we're going to dominate the future like never before. And finally, we need to work together on a defense bill that once again fully rebuilds our military for our great warriors. We have to have a strong...
What do you think of this approach? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. All right, let's talk about China. You've probably heard of the new AI company DeepSeek making waves in the tech world. According to reports, DeepSeek has come up with a faster, more cost-effective AI solution that could shake up the entire market. And of course, Trump is reacting to this. He's calling it a positive development because, in his words, it's going to force American companies to be more efficient and creative, not just throw money at the problem. That's an interesting perspective. It's not just about spending billions. It's about finding smarter, more effective solutions. And Trump believes the US can do just that, citing how the world's top scientists are right here in places like Silicon Valley and Seattle. So, while China might have a breakthrough, Trump says America's ingenuity can't be matched. Let's zoom out for a second and talk about the bigger picture here. This isn't just about one company or one breakthrough, it's about the global tech race. We're seeing China ramp up their AI game, but Trump isn't worried. In fact, he's even said, "You have the most brilliant scientists in the world," referring to America's top talent. So, what's the key takeaway here? Even with competition rising from China and other countries, Trump believes America still holds the upper hand because of our innovation, our people, and our willingness to push the envelope in ways that others can't. That's why he's so focused on reducing regulations and making sure that no future president can come in and sabotage our economy with unnecessary red tape. Now let's talk about the market. The stock market has been a roller coaster lately, and with all this AI talk, you can bet investors are watching closely. Trump's actions, especially pulling back on Biden's AI restrictions, are likely to have a big impact on how investors view the future of American tech companies. What does that mean for the stock market? It means we might see a surge in innovation, a boost in tech stocks, and maybe even more capital flowing into AI and related sectors. But with competition heating up globally, the pressure's on for American companies to stay ahead. It's going to be an exciting time for investors. So there you have it, Trump's stance on AI, the economy, and how China's latest tech breakthrough might actually benefit America in the long run. What do you think about Trump's approach? Is this the kind of leadership that will keep America on top in the tech world, or do we need a new strategy altogether? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll break down more of the latest trends and updates in business and tech.